let's unbox this camera. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my, excuse my tired face, but I'm so happy that I got this. Like, I am so happy, but I'm actually tired. That's why you're not seeing my excitement. Oh my, oh, look at that. So I got this camera. It is the Sony ZV. Is it ZV or ZV? Whatever. It's a Sony ZV-1. You see that? Yeah, it's a Sony ZV-1, and I got the portable remote with it too. Yep. Right, so that's it. What's here? Right, okay, this is the receipt and a return label if I want to return it. I got this from Gesso. I mean, it took me a lot of time and research before I actually went for this particular vlogging camera, and I had to do a lot of research. Is there any word like that? I had to do a lot of research also about different prices, you know, before I finally got it from this website where I got it. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. This is not sponsored, by the way, but on this website I really got it for like the cheapest. I'll be leaving the Amazon link also in the description box below, so you can check it out. So this is a fairly old camera. It's not really new. This camera type ZV-1, Sony ZV-1, has been around for over 2 years now, so it's not a new camera. And I love that because I wasn't part of the people who first bought it and then started experimenting. And you know, I mean, a lot of people have experimented with it before. I mean, since 2 years, a lot of people have made videos about it, so it really gave me a lot of information to work with in order to make my decision whether or not to buy this camera. Let us unbox this beauty. Okay, so these are manuals, I guess. Yeah, manuals in different languages. And okay, so this is the manual. Go. I just love how portable it is. See as it looks so small. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Right, let's try and put it on. So this is the main body. This is the battery. This is a USB cord, I guess for charging. And this is a microphone cover in case you're vlogging in the wind or something. Yeah, so this is it. This also doubles as a tripod stand, although it is short, it's not very long. Here it is. It came with a cover like a purse. That's lovely. It came with some manuals too, which I'm going to be reading later on. Yeah, so my camera is here. My camera is here. I actually still want to get a lot of other accessories for it, like the camera cover. I didn't know that there's something called camera cover. Like I said, I did a lot of research. Like God knows how many videos that I watched before I finally chose to buy this camera. I watched a lot. God, I watched a lot. So there's a lot of accessories that I want to buy, but that will not delay me from using the camera. And hopefully I'll be able to show you a footage from this camera before the end of this vlog. Please tell me congratulations in the comment section. It's a big feat though. Like, this is the biggest investment yet that I have made, that I have done. I don't even know what English I'm speaking right now. The biggest investment that I've made on my channel, that I have made for my channel. This is my biggest investment yet on this YouTube channel. So guys, please, we need to make this money back, okay? We need to make it back. Please watch my videos, watch adverts, please. Do not skip adverts. Watch the adverts, share my videos, like my videos, leave me comments in the comment section. Let there be engagement. Like, if you don't know, engagements help videos to like do well. So your likes, your comments, they go a long way in helping my channel. So please, if you have been doing that already, I am so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. But if you have not been doing that, you need to turn a new leaf. You need to. Okay, I'll see you when I see you. This is what my camera looks like. So this is a footage from the camera. So I love the fact that it has that face tracking or object tracking. Like, you can really stay on whatever object or, you know, face I want it to stay on while blurring the other parts of the footage of the frame. Lovely, 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 lovely.